Well, very proud to be part of the Ribisco team, and hopefully this will be another motivation for all of us. And definitely, it's a testament na grabe talaga yung suporta ng big boss namin na si Sir Jonathan.
It's a team of the year given yung mga challenges and adversities ng team line. So, how fulfilling it is to win yung first ever team of the year award dito sa PBL Awards?
Well, honestly, we were actually siguro shocked then kasi we got the team of the year even though we didn't get the championship last conference. But I think yun din yung testament sa award na to. It's been a very long journey for the team, and it was acknowledged here, recognized here. And maraming salamat sa PBL Corps for acknowledging our hard work. But hopefully this award will keep us siguro inspired and stronger as a team talaga. And maraming salamat talaga sa inyo lahat at sa lahat ng patuloy na sumusuporta sa amin. I'm just very, very happy and very excited for men's volleyball, especially for Spikers Turf, kasi we all know they deserve all this recognition, and they've been working so hard, and sobrang quality games din yung mga pinapakita nila. So I'm really, really hoping and encouraging everyone to actually support the men's volleyball, the Spikers Turf, kasi po napakagaling nila, and they really deserve the support galing sa volleyball community. Maraming salamat sa PBL Corps for doing this for Spikers Turf.
Like Coach Sherwin, Coach of the Year.
Yes!
How would you describe Coach Sherwin na lang sa PBL fans? Moving pa masyado. Like, away from the court position.
Siguro, I think one of the things na very obvious naman, Coach Sherwin is very quiet, very shy. He's also like that in training, but when he talks, may laman talaga. So, siguro one thing na we appreciate from Coach Sherwin is his knowledge and yung lagi niya sinishare, and he's very generous in terms of sharing all this knowledge to us, and deserve niya yung Coach of the Year, not just being one of the top coaches in the PBL, but I think one of the top coaches also in the UAAP.
With Teamline naman as team of the year, how do you describe yung Teamline's legacy or contribution to Philippine volleyball over the last year?
Well, hopefully, the story and the journey of our team inspires all the aspiring athletes out there, not just in volleyball. We start not so good, but through hard work and passion and determination, you reach your dreams as well. So, if you enjoy and you're really as one team, as one family, you'll go to greater heights.
Kailan niya papasok na ulit yung PBL draft? At masabi mo na new generation naman ang volleyball players na papasok sa PBL.
Very exciting. Honestly, we're looking forward to these new talents, and we're all watching them in the UAP and other tournaments, and we just can't wait. Honestly, I'm very excited to play against them or with them, and good luck to all of them. And to whoever gets drafted, congratulations. And siguro hindi papalarin din. There are siguro beyond volleyball also for them. So, good luck and wishing you all the best to all the drafts.
Anong position nga natin?
Sa next week next week na natin sagutin. Si Coach Sherwin, nasan ba? Coach Sherwin yung tanongin natin. But definitely, someone that will help the team in all aspect for sure. And kahit sino man sa kanila, sa draft list, for sure, yun yung ibibigay sa atin and yun yung offer. So, good luck. Thank you, guys!